The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard watch for all or part of New York City. A blizzard watch indicates the possibility of sustained winds or wind gusts above 35 miles per hour could cause falling and or blowing snow to reduce visibilities below 1/4 of a mile for 3 hours or longer. Strong winds, cold temperatures, low visibilities, and heavy snowfall are possible. To prepare, charge cell phone batteries, gather supplies, and turn refrigerators and freezers to a colder setting. Always stay clear of downed power lines. If you are affected by an outage, turn off all appliances and keep refrigerator and freezer doors closed to prevent food spoilage. Do not use generators indoors. If you lose power and have a disability or access needs, or use life-sustaining equipment and need immediate assistance, please dial 911. For the latest weather information, visit www.weather.gov/NYC. For specific location and timing information, as well as safety tips, please visit NYC.gov/Notify NYC or call 311. For video relay service, call 212-639-9675 or TTY 212-504-4115.